After consulting with our legal representatives, we deeply regret the allegations of premeditated murder. We have no doubt here is no substance for the allegations, and that the state's own case, including its own forensic evidence, strongly refute any possibility of a premeditated murder. As you can imagine, our entire family is devastated. We are in a state of total shock. Firstly, about the tragic death of Riva, who we had all got to know well and care for deeply over the last few months. Oscar, as you can imagine, is also numb with shock and grief and total pain. And I would like to thank Oscar's friends who's going to stick with him through these tough times. I can promise you, with the knowledge I've got, he will come up right.